dear children. Dear children, this is your English class. Okay. Today we are going to learn and I am going to teach you a new lesson of English. Okay. Now today's date is 2nd November 2020 and the day is Monday. Now dear children, I am going to explain you and I am going to you want to listen a story. This is a very interesting story and the story name is Clever Fox and Greedy Wolf. Dear children, see, this is a wolf and this is a fox. Dear children, in the story, three characters are there. Fox, this is a very clever animal, yes or no? This is a wolf. Wolf is very greedy in the story, and one woman, means total three characters are in the story. So let's listen a story, Clever Fox and Greedy Wolf. Dear children, इस स्टोरी में आप ये दो कैरेक्टर, मेन कैरेक्टर देखेंगे जिसमें कि भेड़िया है। भेड़िया कभी भी इस लोमड़ी से बड़ा होता है और लोमड़ी छोटी होती है, बट लोमड़ी बड़ी चालाक होती है और इस स्टोरी में आप देखेंगे कि वो अपनी चतुराई से खुद को कैसे बचाती है इस बड़े भेड़िए से, क्योंकि भेड़िए को लोमड़ी को खाना है और लोमड़ी अपने खुद को कैसा बचाव करती है वो हम स्टोरी में देखेंगे. सो लेट्स लिसन अ स्टोरी, क्लेवर फॉक्स एंड ग्रेडी वुल्फ.
Okay, let's listen the story first. There was a huge forest. Many animals were lived in the forest. One day, a fox met a wolf in the forest. The fox was very clever and the wolf was very greedy. The wolf said, "I am hungry. I am going to eat you up." The fox was frightened and said, "Don't eat me. Please don't." The fox cried. Again the wolf said the same. So the fox got an idea. Then said, "Come with me. I will find some food for you." The wolf agreed. Then the fox took the wolf to an old house. They looked through the kitchen window. There was a woman putting cakes on a shelf. The wolf said, "Look at the food." The woman went out of the kitchen and shut the door. The wolf said that they can't get in. The fox said that to be quiet. The kitchen window is too small to enter the kitchen. The fox opened the window and climbed through the window because the fox is smaller than the wolf. So it is easily enter the kitchen through that small window. After that, the fox asked to come inside to the wolf. Now they both are eat the cakes. Then the fox ate one cake and took three cakes and put them outside the window. The wolf was very greedy. First he ate one cake and ate another one and another one. Like this, the wolf ate 8 cakes, but he did not stop to eat. Suddenly the woman came into the kitchen and shouted, "What are you doing here? Have you eaten my cakes?" Then the woman picked up the rolling pin. Suddenly the fox jumped through the window, then picked up the 3 cakes which were thrown by him and ran away. But what happened to the greedy wolf? He was too fat. He could not get through the window because he ate lot of cakes, so he can't go outside through the small window. He stuck in kitchen. Okay, now what do you learn from this story? Yes, we never be greedy like the wolf and be clever and be smart like the fox. Also have to save some for our future, like how the fox thrown 3 cakes for later use.
Moral of the story: we should not be greedy and we should take only what we really need. We should not be greedy and treat our friends and partners with respect. Lesson number 7, Clever Fox and Greedy Wolf.
Dear children, this is your new Oxford Modern English textbook. Okay, open your books, take out page number 6060. Now we are going to listen a story, Clever Fox and Greedy Wolf. Okay, dear children, now look here. A clever fox met a greedy wolf in the forest. And what he said? I am hungry, growled the wolf. I am going to eat you up. The fox was frightened. The fox was very small. Na? The fox was very frightened. Don't eat me, Mr. Wolf. Please don't eat, cried the fox. Why not? Roared the wolf. I am hungry. The fox had an idea. Come with me, said the fox. I will find you some food. The fox took the wolf to an old house. They looked through the kitchen window. Dear children, once upon a time, what happened? Clever fox met a greedy wolf who was trying to eat it. The poor frightened fox promised the wolf to find some food to eat. So he took the wolf to an old house. एक बार की बात है, फॉक्स और उल्फ जो है भेड़िया इस फॉक्स से मिला और कहने लगा कि मैं तुमको खा जाऊंगा क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ज़ोरों की भूख लगी है। फॉक्स बेचारा डर गया, अब ये मुझे खा जाएगा। पर बच्चों, फॉक्स बहुत क्लेवर होता है और उसने सोचा अब तो मुझे किसी तरह से इससे बचना ही है। उसने कहा मुझे मत खाओ, मेरे पास एक आइडिया है, मैं तुमको पक्का आज खाना दिलवाऊंगा। said the wolf. Look at the food. In the kitchen, a woman was putting, look here dear children, see the picture. In the kitchen, a woman was putting cakes on the shelf. She went out of the kitchen and shut the door. Shut means close. उसने door close करके बाहर चली गई थी। We can't get in, said the wolf. wolf ने बोला कैसे जाएंगे अंदर अभी? Shh, be quiet. Be quiet means no noise, whispered the fox. आपको पता है फॉक्स बहुत क्लेवर है इन द स्टोरी। They both reached the house through the window and reached the keeps on a shelf. The kitchen window was very small. The fox opened it. Fox ने वो किचन का विंडो खोल दिया। He climbed through the window और उसने जंप करके अंदर आ गया। Come inside, said the fox to the wolf. Come inside, जल्दी अंदर आ जाओ। The wolf climbed inside. wolf भी अभी अंदर आ गया। The fox and the wolf started to eat the cakes. दोनों ने केक खाना शुरू कर दिया। The fox ate one cake. Then the fox took 3 cakes and put them outside the window. जैसा कि स्टोरी में बताया है, क्लेवर फॉक्स उसने एक तो खा लिया और 3 उसने खिड़की के बाहर छुपा के रख दिए। The wolf was very greedy और उसको भूख भी लगी थी। He ate 1 cake. चॉम चॉम चॉम, बहुत जल्दी में खा रहा था वो। Then he ate another cake. Then another. My God, the wolf ate 8 cakes. उसने कितने cakes खा लिए? 8. But still did not stop. उसको और भी चाहिए थे. Suddenly the woman came into the kitchen. The wolf was very unsatisfied and he ate 8 cakes one after another but did not stop. And suddenly what happened? The woman knew when she entered the kitchen. "What are you doing here?" shouted the woman. "Have you eaten my cakes?" The woman picked up a rolling pin. The fox jumped through the small window. He picked up the 3 cakes and ran away. Very clever fox. He ate one first and he took what? He took 3 cakes. Already he put where? Outside the window. He took that cakes and ran away. The greedy wolf was too fat. Why? Because he ate how many cakes? 8 cakes. And he could not get through the window. अब वो तो विंडो के बाहर जाने से जा ही नहीं रहा था. Because he became very fat. Because he ate 8 cakes. Oh dear, oh dear, what did the poor wolf pick up? The woman, what happened in lastly, the woman scolded the wolf and tried to hit it, and fox jumped through the small window. But greedy wolf could not, because what? Because I am telling you, because the fox was too fat and he got the punishment. Dear children, in the story, two morals are there. Don't be greedy, be satisfied and happy in whatever you have, and become a clever like fox. What happened? That fox was very clever, na? So be clever like a fox according to a situation. Dear children, now you have to complete this exercise on page number 62. Write here C.W. and today's date is 2nd November 2020. Complete the sentences. Use words from the story. The fox dash of the wolf. The fox was frightened. Frighed. Frightened. Number B. The fox dashed the wolf to an old house. The fox took. TWOK. Took the wolf to an old house. Number C. The woman was dash cakes on a shelf. The woman was putting, PUTTING, putting cakes on a shelf. The woman went out of the kitchen. Of the kitchen. KITCHEN, kitchen. Number E. The fox jumped through, THROUGH, through the small window. The small, SMALL, small window, WINDOW. Put here full stop. Now on page number 63, match the words in column A with the opposite meaning in column B. Now column A and column B, these are the opposite words. Okay. Sitting, inside, asleep, more, dirty, awake, less, standing, clean, outside. Now sitting opposite, awake, no, less, no, standing. So sitting opposite, standing. Inside opposite, awake, no, less, no, clean, no. Inside opposite, outside. Asleep, opposite what? Awake, yes. More opposite, less. L-E-S-S, less. Already we learn these two words in maths. Okay. Now dirty opposite, clean. C-L-E-N, clean. Dear children, complete this word, okay, in your textbook. Dear children, you have to read the lesson and underline the hard words also and write it in your RNB copy for your practice. Thank you, dear children. Bye.